Hello from all the way down here. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're new. Today I thought I would do a little twist on my typical, yearly fall makeup look that I normally would do. I have a little special someone here to do my makeup. Sister, that's your cue.
Hello!
This is my mother, everyone. Is it weird that I'm just holding a cup?
No, yes.
So I will put the picture on screen. We're actually going to be recreating a makeup look today. It's Rosie Huntington Whiteley. It's kind of like a smoky cat eye, natural face, nude lip. I also forgot to mention, I have questions I'm gonna ask her.
So the first thing we want to do is prep the skin before we lay down any makeup. This is Kelsey's favorite, the Capture Total from Dior. And she's definitely drier here, so I normally concentrate a little bit more.
Excuse me. Let me ask you the first question.
Oh boy.
While you moisturize me. Did you plan on having me? Don't lie.
At some point.
What? What does that mean? At some point?
No, yes, we did.
I'm convinced.
Actually, I wanted a boy. And I thought you were a boy up until like my last month. I even had a boy's name. You were supposed to be Micah. I had to have an emergency. Is this eye cream?
Yes.
Why is it green?
Yeah, this is the La Mer eye cream. I think it's like seaweed or something. That's why.
Oh, they were able to show me that you were a girl. And then so I had to go and I had to I went to Barnes and Nobles and bought a what? I had to buy a baby name book because I was so set on like your name that girls' names were way too common, and I was like, I want something original.
So you picked Kelsey?
Yeah. Because I thought it was like sort of.
Why didn't you just pick like a Bible name? That's what every Christian mom does.
Well, I did.
Kelsey isn't in the Bible.
No, but Simone is. Well, Simon. Simon.
Really? That's what that's supposed to be?
Yeah. Your name was taken.
I never knew that.
Anyway, this is Kelsey's favorite, and I couldn't agree more because she turned me on to this. This is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer.
I make everybody use that now.
I don't think you've shown everyone this
literally,
foundation.
all of my friends use it now.
I think I grabbed too much, but it's all good.
No, I always do that. I just blend it down my nose.
Okay, so we see all this glow. So we sort of just want to like make her skin nice and dewy and fresh. And then now we want to start putting some color in.
Did you do concealer yet?
Oh. So then I'm using the Wander Beauty Duelist Concealer.
Love Wander Beauty. They sent me a bunch of stuff.
In the shade...
Not sponsored. The next question is...
Close your eyes.
How do you feel about me being a YouTuber? That's how you feel?
How I felt when things started to take off for you as a YouTuber was disbelief, because I don't...
My child could never. She's not that cool.
I definitely don't trust the system. Let me let them know that I took a little bit of the Laura Mercier powder.
Laura.
Oh my goodness, my New York accent wants to break forth.
Laura
In translucent. The color is translucent, so it's just no color. It will just help set underneath the eyes where I put a little bit of that concealer. Close your eyes.
Are we baking?
Just a little bit.
I never bake.
Well, it just helps it to look a little bit more airbrush and flawless.
We're going to do a little cream contour.
I'm using the KKW. And so I sort of like followed Kelsey's natural cheekbone, and I sort of like want to just underscore that like right there. And I'm going to do the other side. So you follow her natural cheekbone and just go like right underneath there.
The other question.
Oh, sorry.
The other question was, who are your favorite YouTubers to watch?
We watch Jenna Marbles.
Love Jenna Marbles.
H3H3.
Yeah. Yeah, my mom knows the good stuff.
PewDiePie every so often.
Yeah.
So,
when we have family over, she'll play PewDiePie on the TV in our living room and just make everyone sit on the couch and watch PewDiePie.
Well, thanks to you.
And I'm like, and you can tell she's my mom.
So next I'm going to use the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in the color Sparkling Pesh.
Ooh, I love that one. I haven't used it in a really long time. I haven't used it like
super
since
pretty.
We were in London.
Yeah, I love the color.
Really
it looks very champagne-y, not quite gold, not quite silver. It's just like that nice in between. I'm just taking like a mid-sized brush I'm just going to tap on top of her cheekbone. I
Like,
took your
what
sparkle
were my
away.
favorite things to do as a kid? Like, what did I like to do? Obviously, before I started doing YouTube.
What did you like to do?
Yeah.
You were artsy, but I think that you were more into like video games. You've always been a gamer.
I remember Dad would help me tape up blankets over the windows in the house so that I wouldn't have glare on my screen.
Yes, so
I
true.
would like black out the downstairs so that I could play video games.
Yep.
Wow, I was really extra.
Yeah. I'm dusting a little bit over her eyes too, just to bring a little bit of glow. So we're not going to put color per se, but we just want to bring some definition. Yeah. So I'm using the Makeup Forever palette, probably part of the kit, but anyway, it's a little quad. It's really beautiful. It looks just like this.
It's like the perfect natural, everything you need.
So I'm going to start with the little peachy shade that's on top.
Okay.
Did I answer your question? Mm-hmm. Okay. And a very, very light application because it's just to bring some definition. I mean, it's just like a hint of color. And I'm using this, sort of looks like cocoa, best way to describe it.
Oh, I want some now.
All right, so this one I'm actually using the Marc Jacobs Kohl eyeliner in the shade.
I think it's just noir.
Okay.
Dad's outside the door.
Hi, honey. We're filming.
I was just looking for any dishes.
So, and the reason why I'm using a soft kohl pencil is because we really want to keep the line soft. And I'm going to come 3/4 of the way and go really low on her lash line.
I hope I like this because I used to wear winged liner all the time. And then just one day I woke up and started hating it and I thought it looked stupid on me, so I haven't worn it in such a long time. Every time I wear winged liner now, I think it's just the shape that I draw. I don't think it looks good on my eyes. So I feel like if I have somebody else do it like you for me, then like maybe you'll like make it the shape different.
You might like it.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta wing it out just a little bit more.
Okay.
So, close. Close.
They are!
It's like half dead close, like...
No, it's not. My eyes are closed.
No, my eyes are closed.
Okay, now I have to see. Look at me. Leveled. Face down. Okay.
What mascara did you use? I like it.
Okay, so everyone's been asking me about my mascara. Like,
wow!
I was getting burritos. No, I was getting tacos last night.
This story is just...
Story time. I was getting tacos and the girls making my tacos was like, oh my gosh, I love your lashes. What mascara are you wearing? So not sponsored, but this is the new Nars Climax mascara.
Imagine if in real life people ask you a question like, oh girl, like what mascara? Not sponsored, but it's...
All right. So here's my favorite right now. It's the Nars Climax.
And we're not doing bottom either.
No, no bottom.
Which is weird for me. I'd never done that.
We're good?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. I kind of like it with no bottom. I've never done that before. No bottom.
So it really brings more focus.
See, I push.
So you want them all the way out like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
I push them all the way out.
Okay. All right. So last but not least, we are going to do
You're
that.
skipping my favorite step.
What is that?
It's back there. You got it out.
The face spray?
Yeah.
So close. It has some little like, it has glacier water, lavender oil, evening primrose oil. So a lot of oils
fancy.
which give some glow to your skin. So if you're extra dry, especially this coming winter, this is really nice. And now for the finishing touch, I just winged it and I opened up her drawer. She has so many lipsticks. Rosie has a nice, beautiful pout. And you just want to like...
It smells good.
So there's like...
Ah, that tickled.
Wait, I don't need your mouth to be that big. Just relax. Just a little bit. That's it. That's perfect. Actually, that's a really nice combo.
Yeah, I like it.
I really like that. It looks just like the lipstick she had on it.
Nice.
Very nice. So, we have to...
Snatch my wig, girl.
So if you guys love this look,
Give
it a thumbs up.
My mom's a YouTuber now. She has her own channel. I'll link it below for you guys, as well as her Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos every week. What days do I post, Mom?
Tuesday and Fridays.
Tuesday and Friday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!